All right, so I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of the equipment that you'll need in order to take your Kangen machine off-grid. First, you're gonna need a battery. I bought this one, I believe, on Amazon. It's great when we were running the Kangen machine off it for the first time with pretty decent solar energy into our panel. It didn't really do much in terms of like decreasing the juice in the battery here, and we were running a pump and the Kangen machine off of it. So your battery is going to connect here with these big wires into your inverter. What I have here is a Rhenology inverter, 1,000 watts. This inverter here is going to be your source for power. You can see two outlets right here. The on-off switch, and basically this takes the juice from your solar panel that is going into your battery and then converts it into 110 so that you can run both pump and Kangen machine off of it. The final thing you'll need as far as your electricity goes is a 100-watt Rhenology solar panel, which comes with this solar charge controller, and this is where all the wires get laid in, and so you'll see these two wires here, positive, negative, coming in from the solar panel, which is on top of my car right now, and then going out to the battery, which is these plus minus here. I'm not really sure what those are here, but this is what's going to send the juice from the solar panel into your battery. And then I was a little unsure of, because this whole setup was the first time I've ever done solar, is whether or not this wire that's going into your inverter can be combined with the plus negative wire from the charge controller. So can they be on the same connection there? And I did a little bit of research and found out that it was all right, and so far no problem. So that's basically it, as well as the pump that you're gonna need in a 5-gallon bucket. All in all, you're probably looking at somewhere around, depending on the size of battery you get, but this basic setup is probably right around $500. As you can see here, I miscalculated when I was making the video. Total is closer to $750. A few notes: if you are going to be charging any kind of like power tool batteries, or I think batteries in general, you really want to get a pure sine inverter, which basically, it's a little bit complicated to describe, but it just sends a really pure electrical current into your machines or whatever, and potentially that might be a really good idea for your Kangen machine as well. If you have any questions about other equipment, feel free to ask. I'm not an expert on solar energy by any means. Like I said in the video, this is my first time setting up a system, but I'd be more than happy to help if I can. Just email humstream@gmail.com with any questions you may have.